So everyone, here I have UP10TION's Bravo! MF signed edition. Yep, so for the cards inside, so I'll just flip through and see and let you see who I got. So yeah, here's the front, it's all signed. Remember. Okay. I'm not too excited. So here's the track list. Ooh. Do you listen to Nadu or Dito? It's awesome, man. The side. It's so colorful. Focus on this. No. Do not focus. Yes. Okay, so here's the track list again. This photo book is so colorful. Oh my gosh. But I still love it. Okay. First flip, I see my bias. Oh my god, Jin. So excited. Cool. See your name is down here. It's Kogyo. Can you see it? Oh wait, you can. Wait. Second bias. Okay, so cute. Pito. Okay. Oh no. Oops. Okay. 우신 니 선율. Okay. Yes, I got 선율 for this album. I got double, but I already traded for Jinu, and it's already in my photocard collection, so I'm happy. Funny. Okay, wait, did I? Who is this? Yeah, Kyujin. Sorry. Funny. Xiao. Pink hair. Looks so good. The full Kyujin is here. Ushin. Red color hair. Little apple. See the words down here. You can read them. Bravo! Got the glare. Oh, I really like the color. This violet versus purple. Chino. Cool girl. Wait. Oh, his eyes. Oh my god. Oh. So awesome. Oh my gosh. Pito. His hair. It's blue. It's red. Violet. Purple. I don't know. Red little apple. His hair is so straight. Son Yuri. It's golden apple. Kyujin. His eyebrows are awesome. Hanhee. I have no idea. Although I like his smile. Xiao. Pink hair. Awesome, man. Oh my god. Here is special thanks to, I think UP10TION wrote this. And here are the track list. Credits. Here. Audition. They decided to print it there. So here's the CD. I haven't looked at the CD yet though. Oh, they printed the track list on the CD. Okay, I can't hold it properly. Whoops. Here it is. So yep. This is UP10TION's Bravo. Focus. No, focus. Yes. Thanks for watching.